Today's video is how I spend time outdoors on a Saturday. It's spring, it's beautiful, and I wanted to share with you how this space inspires my artwork. Hello friends, I'm Mary Lou. So glad you're here. After the stormy winter season, the rebirth of spring leaves and plants motivates me to tend the spring landscaping. Studying these plants inspires my art. Okay, so let's go visit the kitchen garden. The nearby small kitchen garden was just planted with new seeds. Sometimes gardeners refer to these small gardens as a potager. Potager is a French word which is defined as a small garden located close to the kitchen. On sunny days, the row cloth is lifted to expose the new lettuce and herb plants to the sun and spring breezes. The reusable white row cloth protects the seeds and sprouts from foraging small backyard birds. Gardening is my hobby. I feel so happy when caring for plants. Those little white shards are ground up eggshells. They keep the slugs and snails from dining on the new plants. I've been experimenting with designs using found materials. This spring, I constructed a trellis out of hazelnut sticks and twigs. They were left over from pruning hazelnut trees. To strengthen the trellis, ivy vines were stripped of their leaves and were woven through the sticks to add strength. It's so exciting when a seed starts growing. Look at these small sugar snap pea starts. Over time, they'll cover this twig trellis. For now, I can enjoy the stick and vine design while waiting for the sugar snap peas to grow. These vines have inspired drawings, like this peas and carrots rendering. Here's my favorite chair overlooking the kitchen garden. The sun usually makes an appearance around noon right here. Beyond the kitchen garden, the natural plants covering the forest really inspire me. In the spring, the emergence of tender new leaves and flowers provides ample creative inspiration. Many of these plants have inspired my artwork. Like these Oregon grape plants, they are a natural part of the understory in our Pacific Northwest forest. They protect the roots of natural evergreens by providing cover or shade, which keeps the ground covering the roots of trees moist during warmer weather. Their edible flowers and berries provide food for animals. Their unique leaves and berries have inspired my drawings. Another local unique plant are salmon berries, which are blooming right now. That beautiful bright purple blossom that turns into a brilliant yellow berry has fascinated me since childhood. I've painted and drawn these plants and love observing them in all their stages of life. The ever-changing vista of the plants, both here in the forest and in the kitchen garden, is a constant source of inspiration. I hope you enjoyed the spring tour of my garden, and I look forward to seeing you at the next video. Bye.